To start adding clips in of how I feel and the things that I'm dealing with in the new year. I thought to myself for a few minutes here. I was thinking, think, whatever you want to call it. I am now 48. I'll be 49. So I am no longer helping anyone out. If someone comes to me, that means in a divine prosperity, it was meant for them. So I'm not, no more of, hey man, I can help you with that. Hey, you want to do this? No more of that. What I look at now is if they're coming to me, that means it was a reason and it was for them to have it. That hit me in the face this morning, because all I do now is work on my own business now. And that's what I'm gonna start doing. And I have many businesses I'm passionate about, and now it's time to wrap them up. Later, guys, just another thought of just a life of being a man. What's going on, guys? This is Will from your home ironing business. Today, I want to show you something. I think I talked about this before. I have a whole basket of T-shirts here. I'm going to show you what these T-shirts look like when I get done with them using this small press right here, this Steam Fast. I've talked about this thing before and said this is a great investment you can get, especially for just doing T-shirts. So I just kind of wanted to do this today, and then I'll probably do some more talking and putting some videos up. Hey, to all the subscribers and people who watch this, if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to hit me up. I have no problem answering questions and actually showing you what I did to, sorry about that, to produce your own ironing business. And I think one thing I've never showed, let me show real quick because someone said I need to stabilize. I'm sorry. Let me grab this because I'm going to put this in another place. Let's set this here. That I actually, let's see if we can zero in there. I am Dapper Cloth Care LLC. This is legitimately my business now. And this is something that you should do if you are starting your business. It's one of the better things to do. A lot of people say, get this, get that, and then get you 5,000. No, this right here is to protect yourself. It's a small investment. And now I own Dapper Cloth Care and it's in full force. I started on, August the 7th, 2020. Now I've had the business for years, but I decided to just make it official. I know I walk around, my apartment's dark here, but I walk around and just kind of, wow, that looks terrible. Just wanted to kind of show you, what to expect, I guess. And right now, I just want to iron some shirts. I'm going to show you what this little steam press does because this is a great investment to your arsenal. So give me a few minutes. I'm going to press these up. I'm going to show you what they look like. All right, guys. Let me turn my little microphone here so you can hear it. So I just kind of want to give a couple pointers when using this small steam press. Now, the small steam press is really good for T-shirts and napkins and all kinds of other things. Now, before the pandemic, I almost had an account where I was doing the napkins for a restaurant, and I was only doing them like $25 for 50. So I would do those and then I would take them back. But unfortunately, when the pandemic hit, that just went all out the door. But for right now, I want to show you what I do when I do a little T-shirt on here. Now, first of all, this Niagara spray stuff I use here, which is actually a smoothing spray, or actually, I can't remember the name of it. We use like sizing. This stuff is really good for your shirts. First, what I do is I hit the first sleeve, second sleeve, the front of the T-shirt only, and in the back of the sleeve. This is all you have to do. The reason why you're hitting each one of those are as simple as kept. You just want to just iron them. Now, when I do the sleeves, you want the sleeves to be nice and crispy straight through. You smooth it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back up again. Do the second sleeve. And what you do is to get good with these, if you're used to using big presses and you do work in the dry cleaners, using these is, it takes practice. Because when you're used to using the big stuff, you'll burn yourself like crazy. Usually I get the top part of the shirt. If I can't, I just shake it a little bit, put the top part of the shirt on, get all the wrinkles out of it, hit the top part. Now, I don't seek this as perfection, but it does make the t-shirts look way better. And my customers like it. I don't really get no complaints. Toss it on, straighten it up. You get used to doing this and it becomes kind of like, it becomes repetitive. Once it becomes repetitive, you'll be good at doing it. Now, believe it or not, this knocks your t-shirts in half. You wouldn't have to iron nothing. So a lot of times I just pull the ends out the best way you can. It's not going to be perfect all the time, but it'll have a t-shirt looking nice and crispy. Forgive me for being dark. I didn't use no lighting. I just have the lighting, above. But I'm in my room doing this, and I actually cut the TV off. But I'll do this while I'm watching TV. As you see, I'm just kind of doing it. I don't need no steam. The one thing I learned about these presses, you really don't need steam. You just need the heat for the shirt. I don't mind the steam, but I don't use it at all. I just do the shirts, and I keep them moving. Once you get done with the shirt, a lot of times, if you have to, I'll take the shirt, turn it upside down this way, and I will do the bottom part, the bottom nape or the bottom part of the t-shirt. Stretch it out far as you can. You don't have to stretch it, but just pull it. And I just kind of hit it a little bit on the top and the sides. And a lot of times I practice on my shirts. And when I'm done with that, I just take it, half fold it, and set it on the pile. That shirt's ready to go. Sorry about the super grainy darkness. I just kind of wanted to share a video of me using the small steam press. I should have put lightning here, but I didn't feel like it. I just did that. So long story short, if you can find one of these cheap, like maybe at the flea market, eBay, marketplace, buy one. It's a good thing to have with your arsenal. So I'm gonna get back to doing these shirts. And again, I hope these videos help someone. I was doing this before the pandemic and all this business, and now I still do it. It's a good way to make extra money to pay for your insurance, all your other needs you have, maybe a little spending money, and you get good customers, you meet great people. And even when I meet great people, sometimes those people have things that I need. So I use everything. Every business interaction has a meaning of some sort. That's the way I believe. And I hope, again, this helps someone. So I just strung along a couple videos. I haven't been doing much. And to my subscribers, get out there, make some money. And if you have any questions, any comments, give me a thumbs up. I'll answer the best I can. Later, guys. You know my motto. That's right. Adjust your hustle and bet on you. Later. All right. So there's my stack of t-shirts done with the steam press. This thing is a valuable item to your arsenal if you're trying to do this. And this thing is dusty, but man, it's made its money back tenfold. I bought this from Marketplace where someone met me at the flea market and sold it to me for 50 bucks. Thing's worth $100 easily, but it's already made its money back. This is the steam press or steam fast, and this thing is gold. You hear? I don't even use the steam. I just use the heat when I want to do tablecloth, not tablecloths, but little pillowcases, handkerchiefs. Yeah, I do people's handkerchiefs, all types of things, just small things with this. But this thing is basically worth its weight in gold like all my other stuff. So I hope this helps someone out. If you see one of these, buy it. If you can't, save up and then buy it. All right, guys, I'm out.